Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your VitaDrive subscription. Okay, so my dear friends, if you have purchased any product related to VitaDrive like their Shilajit gummies or any kind of product, if you have purchased and by mistake if you have taken any subscription, because when you buy product they have activated subscribe and save option by default, and your subscription will start. Okay, so how you can cancel it? So there are two methods by which you can cancel your subscription, and the first method is very easy. The second method is like little bit hard. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you need to visit on the official website tryvita.com, vitadrive.com. This is the official website, and once you are on the official website you need to log in into your account by which you have created your subscription. Okay, and once you logged in into your account, you need to tap on your profile icon and you will see subscription options. Okay, and you can cancel your subscription very easily. Okay, in the order section also you can navigate. And if we talk about the second method is like, if this method will not work for some reasons, this method will not work, and so in this case what you can do, like you can contact your credit card or debit card or card provider. You just need to tell them that you wish to cancel your all recurring payments on your card. They will cancel your subscription. There is no other way by which you can cancel your subscription. So please keep in mind, if online method will not work, so don't waste your time. Please try to contact with your card provider, only they can cancel your subscription. Please tell them that cancel your all recurring payments. Okay, you can also ask like how many recurring payments you have on your card, and you can choose better one, or you can say like you can choose which you need, and other unnecessary payments you can cancel it. Okay, so after verification they will cancel your all the unwanted subscriptions on your account. Okay, so this is the method only. Okay, now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.